Describe one of your family members you spend the most time with. You should say, who is he/she? What do you usually do together? What kind of person he/she is? Why you spend most of the time with him/her? Note, you will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes. You have 1 minute to think about what you are going to say. You can make some notes to help you if you wish. Introduction: The love of family is life's greatest blessing. I am fortunate enough to have such a sweet family who always stays with me through thick and thin. I like all of my family members, but there is one member whom I admire the most and love to spend time with him/her. Introduction: In this contemporary world, the majority of people want to live separately from their elders. However, I am fortunate that my grandparents' blessings are still with me, and we all are living under one roof. My grandparents are really close to me, especially my grandfather, who is also my favorite person from my family. We both spend the majority of our time together. What do you usually do together? On weekdays, in the evening, we play mind games such as chess, crosswords, sliding puzzle, pretending etc. in order to do brain exercise, whereas, on weekends, we play different outdoor games. What kind of person he/she is? He believes that being mentally strong is as vital as being fit as a fiddle. Apart from this, he loves to try different cuisines. Whenever one of us crave for any particular dish, we immediately search its recipe from Google and try to do experiments in the kitchen. Even though most of the time, we don't cook the dish as delicious as we plan, my grandfather's enthusiasm motivates me to keep trying new things even if we fail at it. Why you spend most of the time with him/her? This is the reason I love to spend time with him. He is always ready to do creative and crazy things, unlike my family. Rest of my family members can always be seen busy in their routine work, and sometimes they think doing those things which won't benefit us in the future is entirely a waste of time. On the other hand, my grandfather has a different perspective. He believes that we should try all those things which we find amusing. I am also like him. Conclusion: What separates us from others? My fun, loving grandfather never turned down my ideas of doing crazy things. That's why I never miss the boat to spend my time with him. Useful vocabulary and idioms that used in this answer. Through thick and thin, under all circumstances, no matter how difficult. They stuck together through thick and thin. As fit as a fiddle, healthy and strong. My grandmother's 89, but she's as fit as a fiddle. Crave, to want and need to have something very much. If only she had shown her daughter the love she craved. Enthusiasm, a strong feeling of excitement. Her energy and enthusiasm for life. Amusing, entertaining. Such a likable, amusing man. Turn down, reject. No idea should meet a flat turn down if there's a chance of a payoff. Miss the boat, miss the opportunity. People who've been holding off buying anything in case prices drop further could find they've missed the boat.